Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make hard strawberry candy in the microwave. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Also, have 1/2 teaspoon of strawberry extract, a few drops of red food coloring, and a candy thermometer ready. Ensure you have a microwave-safe bowl and a silicone mat or parchment paper for cooling. Now, let's get cooking. In your microwave-safe bowl, combine the 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of light corn syrup, and 1/4 cup of water. Stir these ingredients together thoroughly until the sugar is completely dissolved. Place the bowl in the microwave and heat on high for 3 minutes. Carefully remove, stir well, and then return to the microwave, continuing in 1-minute intervals, stirring after each. Keep microwaving and stirring until your candy thermometer reads exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the hard crack stage, essential for achieving that perfect hard candy texture. Once it reaches temperature, immediately and carefully remove the bowl. Quickly stir in the 1/2 teaspoon of strawberry extract and a few drops of red food coloring to give your strawberry candy its signature look and flavor. As soon as you've added the flavor and color, carefully pour the hot candy mixture onto your prepared silicone mat or parchment paper. Let it cool completely and undisturbed for at least 30 minutes, or until it's firm and brittle. Once fully hardened, simply break the candy into small, irregular pieces. Store your homemade strawberry hard candy in an airtight container to keep it fresh and delicious.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.